Why is power outage near me trending? 2026. Why is power outage near me trending? Because a massive storm has caused thousands of outages, and real-time tracking is more critical than ever to keep you informed right now. A severe storm struck Stamford over the weekend, knocking down an American flag from the World Wrestling Entertainment headquarters. That flag landed on power lines, triggering thousands of power outages in the area. This incident highlights how even unexpected debris can disrupt electricity and leave many without power. Severe weather also hit Topeka and northeast Kansas, damaging homes, vehicles, and infrastructure. These events have driven a surge in outage-related searches as people seek updates on their local power status. To help you stay informed during these outages, several utility companies offer real-time tracking services. National Grid, Consumers Energy, and EverSource all maintain up-to-date outage information across their service areas. These platforms aggregate live data so you can quickly see if your area is affected and get updates on restoration efforts. This transparency is essential during widespread power disruptions caused by storms and other incidents. Search interest for power outage near me has skyrocketed, with Google Trends reporting values over 200 in the U.S. This surge reflects a growing public need to know about outages in real time, especially after the recent storms in Stamford and Kansas. People want quick access to outage maps, estimated restoration times, and safety information. This trend underscores how critical power information is during emergencies. The outages primarily affect customers of major utilities like National Grid, Consumers Energy, and EverSource. These companies serve large portions of the Northeast and Midwest, areas hit hard by the recent storms. Thousands of customers remain without power as crews work to clear debris and repair lines. Knowing your utility provider's outage page is crucial for up-to-date information about your specific area. Utility companies are mobilizing crews to restore electricity as quickly as possible. However, ongoing severe weather and extensive damage could extend outage durations. Staying informed through your utility's live tracking service is the best way to get accurate estimates and safety instructions. Preparing for potential delays in restoration is wise during these unpredictable conditions. What this means for you is simple. If you're experiencing a power outage or worried about one, use your utility's live outage map to stay updated. Being informed helps you prepare for emergencies, stay safe, and manage your household until power returns. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on weather disruptions and power outages near you.